lalo na sa Toronto. Ayaw ko nang lumiwat sa ibang province. Tingnan nyo mga kanas. Tingnan mo, tubig to. Tubig ayaw ihulog ko rito. Magbilang ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tingnan lumabas. Red Horse! Ayoko na dito sa Toronto. Iba ang iga na Toronto. Red Horse! Alakas na tawa! Ayaw?
Maliit.
Ha?
Maliit. Malaki yung shoes mo. Pangbata kasi yan eh.
Hindi
Yeah.
Ganun.
Last year hindi mo yan nagamit eh. Ang gumamit sina Rafael.
Sabihin mo, lahat ng tao dito sa kano pinagpapala.
Hindi. Ganun lang.
Kaya, I thought he was here. Oh, let's play it. I know, no, he was inside. Maybe he's not wet already. No, he's getting close. Here! I'll give you. Look at you! Don't do that. Hey, come here. Take a slide down. Oi! Come here. No! Hey, come here. Take a slide down. Oi! Come here. No!
Ayaw na gamitin yung ano? Ikaw, yun ang snowboarding? No, okay. Nakang this. Mag-gloves ka, Tess?
Hindi makapag...
Ayaw na gamitin yung ano? Ikaw, yun ang snowboarding? No, okay. Nakang this. Mag-gloves ka, Tess?
Hindi makapag...
Mga pinagpala sa Canada.
Can you, ano? Silya? Yan. Ha?
That's the idea.
Yeah. The other side. Because I cannot bend.
Okay, 3. Oh my god, I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.
Hey, no swearing.
I know.
She's always swearing.
Yeah. No. No. Yeah, pa. Alright. Wait lang. Okay, that's it. Run! Okay, 3. Oh my god, I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.
Hey, no swearing.
I know.
She's always swearing.
Yeah. No.
Maganda pala pa sunset dito, Bit.
You know,
Oh? Oh, hindi mo nakilala anak mo. Gumana kay Rafael?
Ramjen, that's not cool.
Where's Armjen?
Here. Ranjen.
Ha?
Here.
Go, Ramjen. Go, Ramjen. Huh? Go.
It's the same thing. For me? Okay.
Okay. Jay, what's up, Jay? Yes, go, Ramjen. Yoo-hoo! Oh, shit! That's nice. Jump. Ah.